Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Infinix Hot 60 won't send text messages. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option app management. Now click on it and then click on app list. Now scroll down and here you can see the messages app. Now click on it and then click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear the cache memory of messages app. After clear the cache memory, then go back and check your network connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your network connection and then click on my phone. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.